YouTube, what's poppin'? IG, what's good? Retro family, retro gang. Man, this your boy, Retro Rick, for Retro Rick and Maddie's Kicks. Look, y'all know the routine by now, right? Well, if you don't, go ahead, hit that like button. Tell a friend to tell a friend. That means share this video. As well as, you want to become a part of this movement? Subscribe. You never know. We're going to keep hitting y'all over the head with this heating content. Look, before we hop into this unboxing, while I got y'all attention, I hope y'all got y'all attention with the thumbnail. But real quick, all jokes aside, on Instagram under Retro Rick and Maddie's Kicks, we've been giving $50 away to the people that need it for items they need during this, you know, what we got going on. I'm not gonna keep saying it, but that's our way of giving back under Retro Rick Maddie's Kicks on the Instagram. I'm gonna put up the picture now so y'all can see how to enter. The Shoe Butler is in the building. Shout out to the Shoe Butler. Me and him putting this together. We got people that be donating, so you're gonna have to tag these two people on Instagram if you want to enter, as well as tag two of your other friends. Sometimes we'll switch it up and have you do different tasks. You do not have to be a subscriber here on the Retro Rick and Maddie's Kicks channel to enter, but you do have to follow directions on Instagram if you want to enter and win. So that's out the way. Let's go. Unboxing. Just the box real quick, man. Nike box. You got, see all this literature on the back, so you know it's something, right? Let's hop right into it, man. Size 8.5. You got the Nike Adapt Huaraches, retail $350 plus tax in your neck of the woods. So this is another self-lacing system. I hope y'all watched that other video. If not, it's the Air Max Adapts. Y'all check that one out. This the Huarache Adapts. Let's hop right into this one. Sheesh. Open it up. Okay, right off top. Hope y'all can see that literature. So they let you know you got the shoe, the barcode where you can scan it. You can download the app on your phone. It's a self-lacing system. We're gonna hop right into it. You can change colorways that adapts to you, to your style. And you got right here, let you know if your battery go dead, the charger station. But let's hop right into it. Paper, of course. Some silver paper. Let's pull these things out. Hope everything coming up on the camera. Put the other one out. All right, right off top, like a regular Huarache to me. Definitely the toe box. Supposed to be an athlete running shoe. Bottom, Nike, see-through Nike check. Orange Nike check here. You got the turquoise coming up with a darker turquoise with the yellow. It's the lacing system here. See what these strings about in a little while. Let's come to the back. You got Nike on the back with the blue, and Nike actually is in blue, and then the back of the heel is turquoise. You come down to like a darker blue. You got orange, just see-through. Yes, it's see-through. Like mesh material with some netting. And you got Fit Adapt. I hope that's coming up. You can see that. Right to it. What are these? Top, coming to the top. What are these? You got Nike, check. Got some coordinates, like some Huarache. It says Huarache, and you got like some coordinates. I wonder what these coordinates are, like longitude or latitude. This out here, see-through. Okay, let's see what this is about. I know y'all want to say, all right, Retro, let's go and get to them buttons. Let's see what's going on. Let's see how it lace up. I know you can change colors on them. Green, post on green. Oh, you're doing something. Go down, all the way down. It's laced up pretty tight. Got him. Got the Huarache logo on the inside to see through. I mean, I'm not gonna hold y'all up now. Look, it's laced up pretty good. Like, see me tugging and pulling on it. It's laced up pretty good for an athlete. I mean, it went all the way down. Drop top action. Jeez. Let me hit you with that. Okay. Let's see. Let's make it. Get this thing to go back up. Okay. So you got this elastic. Now that I'm seeing that's supporting the shoe here. It's elastic material to make it stretch and be able to do what it do and come back to form. Ropes. I guess your little ropes are holding up. I wonder what it do in the rain. Like if it rains real hard, you're running on the beach with a short circuit. I got this battery pack. Where the battery pack located at on the shoe? I don't feel it. On most shoes, you can feel a battery pack. So I take it as at the bottom. Yeah, it's probably right here, because at the top, no battery pack action. So at least if you get rain on at the top, you good. Yeah, no wires. They probably got everything at the bottom. So if it's waterproof, read the literature up on this one. If it's waterproof, might be a go. Might be a go. That's what I'd be concerned about. One more time. I know y'all tired of that sound. I apologize. I just had to show y'all. Let's pull the other one out. Pretty much it's the same spiel. Orange Nike check. Got the adapt. Got the green. I know you can change the colors on the app. Make sure both of them working. I know you can change the colors on the app. Let's set the shoes aside real quick. Show y'all what's going on with the inside of this box. Pretty much, that's just gonna be probably this is the charger. Nike charger, stuff of that nature. Let's see what we got. Paper, of course. We got the DAP, instructions. And then, yeah, you got the DAP. Like the same one come with the BB adapts. I got, probably can use the same charger station. So that's the charger station. Now you see sometimes why the box come big like that with all these accessories. Look, man, I hope y'all enjoy. I hope y'all gonna enjoy y'all day. Like I say, man, stick with your loved ones. Y'all be safe out here. Really be safe out here. You know what we say on this channel. We love y'all. Stay strong. Stay double strong. Yo, until the next video, man, we gonna holler at you. I'm out. Peace. Let's go. J colorway, gone.